Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Gary, the Bearded Woodworker. I'm here with Andrew, the Bearded Giant. Today, we're gonna cut his car in half. Andrew, what do you got there? It's called a grunting machine. I mean,
this is a Stihl MS880. It's a 121cc professional saw. Has a 59-inch bar, basically a 5-foot bar. It currently has a full skip tooth chain, and I have a Grandberg milling chain on order. It's a 173 link chain. It's a monstrous chain. But the whole idea with this is we're going to build a mill lumber out of trees that are about 54 inches wide. So we could do 54-inch wide slabs with this thing.
and what are we gonna do with slabs like that? Furniture?
We'll make furniture. We will make tables. We'll even mill up just lumber, dimensional lumber, so we can build things like a carport and a shed and whatnot.
And a slab drying station.
And a slab drying station, yeah. I also have a 36-inch bar on order, which is this long.
Oh, tiny, huh?
Tiny, a tiny 3-foot bar.
Jesus.
And the idea with that, so I have 2 Alaskan mills now. I have a 30-inch Alaskan mill and a 72-inch Alaskan mill. Obviously, I don't have a 72-inch bar, but it will work with a 60-inch bar for sure.
Cool. I'm gonna put a little card on the screen for one of your milling videos right here.
Great, yeah, that'd be awesome.
It would be right up on this corner. Yeah, right there. Click right there.
And it will be milling some cedar with Jason from Northwest Sawyer. He runs a bandsaw mill, but he invited me over to his property to test out my 30-inch mill using a Stihl 461.
Sweet.
So I now have a suite of saws. I have a 290, a 461, and an 880. I have small, medium, and large. Or should I say small, medium, and oh my God, I can't believe how big that is.
Have you started it yet?
I have not started this saw yet. The gentleman at the store started it for me. So you're gonna witness the very first time me trying to start this beast.
Oh. Should I wait for the first time starting it for your channel?
No, no, we'll do it on
good?
yours. We're good. So Gary's audience, you're gonna get to see this first.
Check this out. And don't forget.
At the end of the video, I'm sure Gary will be polite enough
Yes.
to put a link
Yes.
to my channel.
Yeah,
at
there's
the
a
end.
link in the description right now to go check
Yeah.
him out, and
There'll be
he'll
a
have a
link.
bunch of videos
Yeah.
with this guy in the future.
Yeah. So, all right, here we go. Let's
start it.
Let's try to start this. Let me know when you're ready.
We're recording.
Okay, so it has a compression release right here, and I have it on choke. And the idea is I'm going to try to get it to pop, and then I'll move it to run and give it a pull.
Look at that. Yeah.
Chain is already loosened.
Wow.
So there's a phenomena with new chain, and it's exaggerated with longer chain, and that is the links spread out ever so little bit. Each link moves a super micro fraction, and over the course of 173 links, it can move up to a ½ an inch.
So not even cutting, so just moving around
Yep,
in
just moving around
the gears.
The centrifugal force, yeah.
And it takes two people, we're finding, to take this silly thing apart.
Two inexperienced people.
Yeah. The non-sponsor of this video is
Still of Germany. If you're watching, you could use some sponsorship money.
I could use
And
a new
tools.
saw, yeah.
Just tools.
Yeah.
You can send us. You can pay us in tools.
Pay us in saws, tools, clothing.
Yeah,
Safe,
clothing,
PPE. You down with
Personal-
PPE?
personal protective
Yeah,
equipment.
you know me. Anyways, so I hope you enjoy this video. It's just two fat guys doing some stuff. We're not, no build videos, but basically I'm down here picking up the scaffolding that we dismantled so I can bring it down to Reedsport and have a little something to paint my mural off of, because what I thought was 12 feet is actually about 14 feet, and it's just slightly too tall for me on my ladder to paint safely. So if you guys haven't checked out my Instagram for my mural painting, it's Kraken Art Studios. I'll have a link down on the bottom. I'll have a link to Andrew's page and his Instagram and my Instagram and a whole bunch of stuff. I haven't shot any videos of the mural yet, but I've been doing some posts.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I'll shoot any videos. I'm finding I'm getting a lot more work done if I'm just focusing and not worrying about having a camera or.
It's true.
And I just got my tripod. I left it in Lincoln City at a job that I'm doing right now with the bathroom and stuff. So, anyways.
Fun fact of the day: this is a scrunch. It's a screwdriver and wrench. Scrunch.
Yeah, and steel, you know what you need to do? You need to make this scrunch with the ratchet at the end of it. That would be awesome. I mean, that's a $2,000 chainsaw. You think you'd have something a little better than this. So think about that. Ratchet. Scrunchy. Yeah. Anyways, punch this guy in the face. Punch this guy in the face. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to our channels. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bearded Giant. Peace out.
Bearded Woodworker.